The people who change the world aren't always the loudest. Sometimes, they're simply obsessed with making difficult ideas easier for everyone to understand. There are creators who dedicate themselves to making the complex beautiful. By developing open-source libraries that transform abstract Python code into intuitive animations.
Meet Grant Sanderson, the creator of 3Blue1Brown. Driven by a passion to make mathematics beautifully understandable, he created Manim, an open-source Python library that transforms complex mathematical ideas into breathtaking animations.
That's what passion looks like. You don't just solve a problem, you create something that empowers millions of others to learn. Sometimes, the greatest innovations begin with a simple desire to teach.